The benefits of the ketogenic diet for health, foods that heal. Welcome to Foods That Heal, the channel that shows you how to use food to improve your health. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video for more healthy eating tips. Today, we're going to talk about the ketogenic diet, a low-carb, high-fat diet that's been gaining popularity in recent years. While it may sound counterintuitive, this diet can actually help you lose weight and improve your overall health. Studies have shown that the ketogenic diet can help with weight loss, increase mental clarity, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. So how does it work? The ketogenic diet involves reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat intake. By doing this, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to have a variety of health benefits. By restricting carbohydrate intake to about 20 to 50 grams per day and increasing fat intake, the body is forced to burn fat for energy instead of glucose. This state, called ketosis, has been shown to help with weight loss, reduce blood sugar levels, and improve mental clarity. It may also have potential benefits for people with neurological disorders, such as epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. Foods that are typically allowed on the ketogenic diet include meats, fish, eggs, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. Foods that are high in carbohydrates, such as bread, pasta, and sugary snacks, are typically avoided. However, it's important to note that the ketogenic diet may not be appropriate for everyone. It can be difficult to follow and may cause side effects such as constipation, bad breath, and nutrient deficiencies if not done properly. As with any major dietary change, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting the ketogenic diet. They can help you determine if it's right for you and provide guidance on how to follow it safely and effectively. Foods that are allowed on the ketogenic diet include meats, fish, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats like olive oil and avocado. When you're on a ketogenic diet, it's important to read food labels carefully and avoid foods that are high in carbs, like bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste. There are plenty of delicious keto-friendly recipes out there, like this one. That's delicious! So there you have it, the benefits of the ketogenic diet. If you're interested in trying it out, make sure to do your research and consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Foods That Heal for more tips on how to use food to improve your health.